Welcome to today's video. If you've ever wanted to control who can add your Telegram link when forwarding your messages, this new Telegram web update gives you exactly that flexibility. In this quick guide, I'll show you step-by-step how to allow only specific contacts to include your account link at forwarded messages all from your PC. Let's get started. First, open Telegram web on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account and that you're using the latest version of the web app with the new privacy features. Next, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines. Click on them to open the main menu. From there, select Settings to access all your personal and privacy options. Inside the Settings menu, choose Privacy and Security. This is where you manage who sees your information and how others interact with your messages. Now, scroll down until you find the new option labeled Who can add a link to my account when forwarding my messages? Click on it. You'll see different privacy options appear. Choose My Contacts so that only people saved in your Telegram contact list can include your account link when they forward your messages. But we're not done yet. To make exceptions and grant permission to specific people, click on Always Allow. Then, from your contact list, select the users you want to allow. This gives them the right to include your link when forwarding your messages, no one else. After you've chosen the contacts, make sure to confirm the step to save your changes. Telegram will instantly update your privacy preferences. And that's it. You've successfully customized who can add your Telegram link in forwarded messages. This small but powerful update gives you tighter control over how your identity is shared, keeping your privacy truly in your hands.